Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful morning out here in Beaver Valley, and we're gonna talk about artificial turf. So we've got a 3,000 square foot artificial turf here with kind of two levels, a couple of bunkers, 4 pin placements, and I've had this here for about 5 years now. And on top of the artificial turf, well, actually underneath the artificial turf, it's all limestone screenings to kind of mold it, and then the fabric goes on top, or the turf goes on top. But what happens is that seeds still come and nestle into the turf and start growing out of it. You can find little grains of sand or whatever it is, and it starts growing. Using chemicals is pretty much useless on here, plus I don't want to use chemicals. So I found what works best is actually a trimmer. I'll show you the stuff and how to get rid of it. So here's what grows out of here. It's this little kind of fluff, and it kind of gets situated inside and grows just out of the sand. It comes off fairly easily, but it's really there's a lot to deal with. As you can kind of see, I've already done this kind of quarter over here of the green. Some places it's not bad, some of the places it's kind of growing fairly well. And I just take the weed trimmer to it, and basically it doesn't damage the actual turf, and it basically gets all the sand and everything out from between the blades to kind of clean it up. So this area is now cleaned up, and I cleaned this up about 3 weeks ago, and nothing is growing back yet, which is great. And this is an area I'm just about to do over here. So I'll take a video of me actually doing it. Just wear the proper eyewear because the sand bounces right back into your face. And that's how you keep everything from growing onto your artificial turf. I'm using my trusty 40 volt Ryobi trimmer for this project. It's much quicker and does a better job than the power broom attachment. I'd recommend doing this in early spring or fall once all the bugs are gone. Slowly work your way across, ensuring any clumps of sand are removed. The fairway you see is mowed with a Husqvarna Automower 450X. I try to automate everything around the property. I'll be posting a review of the Automower as well for anyone interested. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with anyone you think could benefit from it. I need 1,000 subscribers to reach my goal of maybe making this a paid gig. You can also check out my other videos on my amazing golf simulator build and upgrade, as well as my general building projects.